So this US dollar CAD analysis for Friday the 14th of September. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may like to go. So previously we saw prices broke down from this 30.69. We've had prices come down towards this 130 here and currently oscillating around this 130 on the US dollar CAD. So if we can break and hold above the 130, we're looking for move towards that 130.69. In around this 130.69, we do have the confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus increase that because seeing sales are meant to come into the market from that level. But if we are successful in breaking above the 30.69, the very next level of note is at 31.11 here on the US dollar CAD. We need to see a price move much beyond 31.11, especially as we do have the confluence of the 200 period moving average sitting pretty close by, therefore increasing likelihood of seeing resistance in around at 31.11. Previous scenario, we found support and resistance here on the US dollar CAD. And if we however do see a breakdown from this 130, if we do see a breakdown from this 130 here on the US dollar CAD, we are looking for prices potentially down towards 129.44, a successful break from which we then look for prices down towards 129, which is a key and important level here on the US dollar CAD. If we are to see that breakdown from this 130 here on Friday the 14th of September. And what we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart. We get scale on here correct. So on the US dollar CAD, as we can see, we've come towards this 31.88, tested on quite a few occasions, did have difficulty breaking and holding above it for a move towards 32.54 and possibly beyond. What we did instead see was that 31.88 did hold as resistance, saw a pretty sharp sell side meant to come into the market. Pretty strong candle close nearing its lows, pretty notable due to its open to close range. So a follow through candle as well, closing near its lows as well, all the way down at this 130. This 130 previous active support, active resistance over here, active resistance again. So we previously had this 130, this round number acting as support and resistance. And as we can see, yesterday we did have a bit of a doji, and price is pretty much oscillated around this 130 and has continued there at present. So unless we do see that bullish buy side momentum come back into the market, and we do see it, and instead what we do see is a breakdown from this 130, the very next level of note from a daily chart perspective is a move down towards that 129. Previously an area we found support where we do have this added confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that level, as well as that horizontal level of that 129. So we do have a few confluences around at 129. If we do see a breakdown from 130, increased likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that level. But if we do fail there, at the very next level of note is at 128.39 here to the downside. We should also be aware of the 200 period average, but at 128.39 is the very next level that we are looking at here on the US dollar CAD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.